In today's video, I'll show you how to install mods in God of War PC. Check my video description for this mod link. Choose the mod you like to install. For this tutorial, I'm gonna install this Eng Kratos, original Eng Kratos. Download the mod, and I'm gonna install this clean invisible armor and vest armor. Download this mod as well. Right click on the Eng Kratos and select WinRAR and select Open with WinRAR. And then right click on the game and select open file location. Open the Zeng Kratos, so open exe and drag and drop this patch folder inside this location. You can able to see boot hyphen options.json. Right click and select edit in notepad. Scroll down to the bottom. Now you need to go back to the same mod site, go to description, scroll down. As you can see, it says in patch text packs, open the bracket and add this line. Just copy this, including the quotation mark. It should be look like this. Minimize this and patch text packs. Inside this bracket, paste the text we copied and select file and select save option. Just close tab here. And we have successfully installed the Eng Kratos mod. Scroll back and open the clean invisible armor and vest. Open mod as well. And then go back to game folder, drag drop all these files inside the game folder. And we have installed two mods. Now I'll show you guys in game. And as you can see, the Kratos character has changed to Eng character. And the mod is working. Invisible vest and armor mode also working. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.